In this video I brought you our latest Premium TradingView strategy script that is highly customizable, has dozens of filters, stop loss, take profit, trade management options, and of course the trading bot automation section. This exact strategy was presented earlier on the channel in the best 5 to 15 minute scalping strategy video, and one of our Smart Trader tier members asked us to code it into a premium script. So we did exactly that. Originally this strategy was optimized for forex, but today I brought you a crypto optimization that works on multiple timeframes and on every single crypto asset I checked, except Stellar. And I'm not kidding, it's truly amazing how powerful this strategy is. I was randomly clicking on different cryptocurrencies and timeframes, generating backtests, and I could hardly find any combination that is not profitable. In this video, I will walk you through the base logic of this premium strategy script, show you the optimization and the rules of the strategy. Finally, I will show you the backtest results for Bitcoin USDT and for a few other cryptocurrencies. If you want to get access to this and to all of our other premium scripts and optimizations, head over to our Patreon and become one of our Smart Trader tier members today. But don't worry, if you don't want to become a member, I will also explain how to trade the strategy manually for free. Before getting started, don't forget to check out our other brand new channels, TradeSmart AI and TradeSmart Crypto Journey. On TradeSmart AI, I bring you ChatGPT generated strategy scripts for free with free source codes each week. On the TradeSmart Crypto Journey channel, you can find our 1K to 10K crypto investing challenge, where I analyze hundreds of cryptocurrencies to find the best hidden gems with 10 to 100x potential. So far, we had many great picks that did a 3 to 5x like these. So make sure to check it out and subscribe if you are interested. Links to these channels are down in the description. First of all, open up TradingView and set up the BTC USDT 15-minute chart. Once you got that, head over to the Indicators tab and let's set our indicators. For this strategy, we will need 5 different indicators. The first one is the Keltner channel. Click on this one. Then type in CCI or Commodity Channel Index and add this one. Then the Vidya, which is a trend filter. Add this one. Then the SMMA, this one. And finally the ATR bands. Add this one. Okay, now we have all of our indicators on the chart, but we need to change some settings. First, open up the Keltner channel settings, set its length to 100, the multiplier to 2, the source to close, untick the use exponential MA, change the band styles to range, and give the ATR length a 10 value. Moving on, open up the Vidya settings, set its length to 375 and its source to close. Next, the ATR bands. Set the ATR period to 30, the ATR band scale factor to 15, and that's all. Then the SMMA. Set its length to 450, its source to close. And finally, the CCI. Its length should be 140, its source close, then switch to the Styles tab, untick the smoothing line, the upper band, and give the lower band a 70 value. That lower band line should be this red line here. If you follow through correctly, now you have all of your indicators set up for this strategy. The main idea behind this strategy is to enter into a long position when the price breaks below the Keltner channel, so it's at a discounted price. This optimization is long only, but in the premium script you can set up long and short trades too. So now let's see the rules for long entries. Here we have a valid long entry signal. And here are the rules for a valid long entry. First, the candle needs to close above the Vidya. If we zoom out a bit, here you can find the Vidya line, and the entry signal candle closed well above it. Then a candle should close below the Keltner channel. On the signal candle, these 3 lines are our Keltner channel lines, and this candle close was below the Keltner channel. The third rule is that the CCI needs to be below the 70 line. Here on the bottom we have our CCI, and on the signal candle the CCI value was a negative 13.72, which is well below the 70 line. The fourth rule is that the candle should close further than 3.5% from the SMMA line. This blue line is our SMMA line, but what does a close further than 3.5% mean? Well, to calculate that, head over here and choose the info line. Now find the SMMA line right below the entry signal candle, click once and start measuring 3.5%. 3.5% is right around here, but in our premium script it is well visualized on the chart with this red area. So as the rule says, the candle should close further than 3.5% from the SMMA, and the entry signal candle close was right here, which is much further than 3.5%. And the last rule is that we do not take any trades on Thursdays. Do not ask why, as I was optimizing, I found that Thursdays are bad for trading this strategy. Now let's move on to the trade management section. The stop loss should be placed at a 15 ATR distance. These red and green lines are the ATR bands, which are set to be at a 15 times ATR distance. So when we have a valid long entry, we place our stop loss right where that line is. To make it easier to decide where the stop loss should be, open up the ATR band settings, go to the style tab, and change the line style to step line. This way now you can see that the stop loss should be placed exactly there. Okay, now pay attention because we have a trailing stop loss in this strategy too, but it's very simple. Throughout an open trade, we will monitor this 15 times ATR distance on each and every candle. And if we get a higher ATR band value than the previous, we move our stop loss right there. For example, after the strategy opened the trade, the ATR band went below, but soon it came up, and on this candle we have a higher ATR band value than when we opened the trade. So we move our stop loss right there. On the next candle we get an even higher value, so we update our stop loss right there. And we continue this method throughout the whole trade until it's closed. The stop loss almost never gets hit, it is just for safety. Finally, we have two separate conditions for take profit. If either is met, we exit 100% of the position. The first take profit level is a 15 times ATR distance. The other take profit condition, which is the more common one, is to exit the trade when the CCI goes above the 65 level. Remember, this is our CCI indicator. This red line is the 70 level. So let's add another one to the 65 level. Let's change its color to green so we know it's a take profit. Now throughout this trade the CCI was well below the 65 level, but right on this candle it shoot up to over 200. And if you take a look, our strategy exited the position at the candle open right after that. So this was a profitable trade with a 1 to 0.61 risk-reward ratio and a 3.32% movement. I know these rules are a bit complex, that's why we are building these premium scripts, which tracks all the indicators automatically and enters and exits the position whenever the conditions are met. So now let me show you how these premium scripts look like. If you want to get access to it, head over to our Patreon, link is down in the description, or click on the pop-up in the top right corner and become a Smart Trader tier member. In the Smart Trader tier, you have dozens of other premium strategy scripts that we developed throughout the years and over 45 optimizations that I made for them. If you become a member now, you will also get access to our 1K to 10K crypto investing challenge, where I post my live trades, my cryptocurrency analysis, the research spreadsheet, airdrop opportunities and much more. Once you're a TradeSmart tier member, message us your TradingView username and we will add you to the scripts. When you are added to the scripts, you need to head over to the Indicators tab, click on the Invite Only section and you will see all of our premium scripts right here. This premium script is the Scalping 5 to 15 minute strategy premium. So add that one to your chart. If you open up the script, you should see something like this. Now I will quickly go over how to set up this strategy here, but won't explain all the functionalities it has, because it would take an hour. I already made a detailed premium strategy script explanation video where I go over all of these options, the trading stop losses, the dollar cost averaging, the trend filters, the RSI filters, and so on. And what is the best in these scripts is that at the bottom you have an automation section, so you can easily connect this script to your broker and have it trade automatically for you. Don't worry, we have many tutorials on how to do this process on our website. So on the top, this section is the base logic of the strategy. First we have the entry logic type. Here we have two options, mean reversion and trend following. The strategy which I just explained to you is a mean reverting strategy, which means that we are buying low and selling at the mean or high. But if you change this to trend following, the entry criteria becomes the opposite. So for example, if I'm using the trend following option, we would only enter into a long position if the price goes above the Keltner channel and the price is above the CCI level. For this strategy, let's leave it at mean reversion. These options are for the Keltner channel. Here you can choose the criteria when to enter into a trade. If you remember, in this strategy we need a close outside of the Keltner channel bands. A touch of the Keltner channel band is not enough. But if you want to build a strategy that allows trades even if we are closing inside the Keltner channel, only touching the outside bands, you should choose the touching option. Here you can set up the Keltner channel length, Keltner channel multiplier value, the Keltner channel's close value, its band style, and its ATR length. If you want to replicate this strategy, just follow these values. Scrolling down, we have the CCI settings. We have a CCI length, the CCI source, the CCI's overbought level, which is used at short entry positions, and the CCI oversold level, which is used at long positions. Remember, the strategy I just showcased can only enter into a long position if the CCI value is below the 70 level. So the CCI oversold long level should be set at 70. Below the CCI settings, you can find the RSI settings. We have the RSI period, the RSI source, the RSI overbought level, which is used for short positions, and the RSI oversold level, which is used for long positions. Now with this optimization, I didn't use the RSI, and this is a long only optimization, so I set the RSI oversold level to 100, because the RSI moves from 0 to 100, and if I set this to 100, for a valid long entry we need an RSI value less than 100, which is always the case. And last, we have the CCI force exit, which we use for take profit. So I set the CCI long limit to 65. This means that the strategy will exit the position if the CCI goes above the 65 level. Below that you also have the CCI short limit, but as I turned off the short positions for this strategy optimization, the script won't use it. Scrolling down, here you can see the exit strategy. I am using an ATR based stop loss with a 30 length. And I set the base risk multiplier, which is in this case the ATR multiplier, to 15, and the risk to reward ratio to also 15, which probably will never get hit. Moving on. I also set up a trailing stop loss, which you can see in action right here. I am using an ATR based trailing stop loss, and I set its ATR length to 30 and the ATR factor to 15 and the smoothing to RMA. This way, each time the ATR moves up, the script will also move our stop loss up and up. As I said, for this optimization I only allow long entries. I am using a long trend filter, which is the Vidya set to 375 length with a close source. And here is the last filter, the distance type limiter, which is this red band. I won't explain exactly how this works. Again, I will leave a link down in the description for the full premium script tutorial video, where you can learn everything about these scripts. But I am using the SMMA as the baseline, which is set to a 450 length, and a low limit of 0 and a high limit of 3.5. So basically, no trades are allowed in a 3.5 radius from the SMMA. I almost forgot about the trading time limiter. As I said, we don't take trades on Thursdays, and here you can set that up too. So 1 means allow trades on Sunday, 2 means allow trades on Monday, 3 means allow trades on Tuesday, 4 on Wednesday, and 5 is for Thursday. So simply I removed the 5, and that's why the script won't allow trades on Thursdays. Okay, and now comes what you've been waiting for, the backtest results. For this strategy, I am using a $10,000 initial capital, a 0.1% commission per trade, and a 2-tick slippage. Also, my position sizing is 80,000 per position, which means an 8x leverage as I am working with a $10,000 account. And here are the results. Well, just look at that equity curve. Again, I am using the BTC USDT 50-minute chart. I set the backtest for the last 4 years of price data, which is around 1 cycle. And during those 4 years, the strategy took 183 trades, generated 1,260% net profit, with an 80% win rate, a profit factor of over 2, and with 32% maximum drawdown. I know the drawdown is a bit high, but you can easily decrease that by using, for example, a 5x leverage instead of an 8x leverage, which I have currently set up. As I said, this equity curve is amazing, no big pullbacks, trending steadily up, and this blue line is the buy and hold equity curve. So if you would have bought Bitcoin 4 years ago, now you would have this much profit, but our strategy easily outperformed that. For those who are interested, here is the detailed performance summary. But as I said, this strategy not only works on the BTC USDT 15-minute chart, it also works on the 10-minute, on the 5-minute, on the 30-minute, and even on lower time frames like 3-minute or 1-minute. But not only that, here you can see my usual cryptocurrency watch list. When I am optimizing, I usually check these cryptocurrencies to find out the best pairs. So for example, I click randomly on Illuvium. It's profitable on the 30-minute. Let's see the 15-minute. Still profitable. 10-minute. Still profitable, but this one is not so good. But let's take a look on another, for example, Gala. It's profitable. ICP. Ethereum. Axie. Or Sand. So you get it, this strategy is profitable almost everything. Okay, well that's all for today. Again, if you want to get access to this and to all of our other premium scripts, just head over to our Patreon, links down in the description, and become a Smart Trader tier member. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and visit our brand new other channels, TradeSmart AI, with free ChatGPT generated strategy scripts. Of course, those are very basic scripts, not like these highly customizable premium scripts. And also check out TradeSmart Crypto Journey channel, where you can find the 1k to 10k challenge with my crypto research or portfolio and so on. If you want to see a strategy script that I generated with ChatGPT, check out this video. Or if you want to see the original video of this strategy with the forex optimization, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and see you in the next video.